Here we go, box of limited. Box number 6, jumping. Good luck, sir. Maybe give me a pat or a net. Nope, there's some thick ones in here though. I don't know what they are. There's some fatties though. Let's see what we got going. All right. Well. Number to 99, limited duels of Martin Brodeur. Number to 99. Number to 25, gold of Blake Wheeler. Matthew Garon. 299 base. Oh, hello. Freshman jumbo jersey autograph, numbered 67 of 99, Carter Ashton. Freshman jumbo jersey auto. You have a rookie redemption. Wow, that's cool looking. For the Philadelphia Flyers. Number to 99, authentic jumbo jersey. Old school, real cool looking. Nice looking card. Ron Francis. Ron Francis. Jumbo jersey. And Phenoms for the Islanders redemption, Casey Cizikas. Phenoms redemption for the Islanders. So jumping square, there you go.